Hey guys, if you like the nature or go on hike or just want to see what's around, you should get one of the trail camera. I just got one, and this one has come with user manual mounting, so you can adjust position. If you attach it to the tree or house, it can be attached basically anywhere, because also it comes with a strap like this to the camera, so you can attach to the tree. Also it comes with a cable in order to transfer all this data you're gonna record, like video, pictures, by connecting to computer. And inside, it's very easy to operate. It's lockable from both sides. So you just open up, you just push this button. But before doing that, you need to insert the battery. And the battery located right over here. You just pull this strap and you insert the battery. It can hold 4 batteries or 8. The box come with 8 batteries, so insert all of them inside over here, so it's for longer run, so you don't have to come back every time to replace them or anything. Also it comes with 64 GB memory card right over here, which should be lasting for a long time of recording as well. And to turn it on, you just push this button over here to the right, and there is a test mode. So in order to do the different settings, you need to be in test mode, and then once you're in test mode, you can go through all this to adjust. And once you're ready, you just put on the on, and it will be counting. You just close this, and it's ready. In 8 seconds, it will shut down, and it will start to record once it's based on your settings. So it's I'll show you how it works. I will attach it and show you how it looks at night and daytime. Maybe we're gonna record some animals or birds or whatever comes across. So I attached to the side of the gazebo and kind of low position, so I can catch some of the animals we have. And you can see there's some movement behind the fence, but let's see if somebody will come. I put some food in the center and camera triggered, so it's got some squirrel and some bird, as you can see, during the daytime. And now I'm gonna check how the nighttime gonna look. Camera also took few pictures of the squirrel, as you can see. At nighttime, as you can see on the back, there is a cat, looks like pass by, but the camera turned on a little bit too late, but still pretty clear view, as you can see. So hopefully we're gonna get somebody else next time. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.